and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. I've got an Audi A5 2018 coupe, as you can see, rear end, and that car has to go to the jig. And I never done any video how we're putting the car on the jig and then the car on the jig, so we're gonna show you guys how that car is getting pulling, and we're cutting the quarter panel as well, and we have to replace it. Let me show you the damage and explain a little bit for you what we're going to do on the car. First of all, as you can see, the rear panel, we have to replace it. We got it already. We got the quarter panel as well. You can see the chassis leg, there is a kink on it, and the rear floor as well is damaged. Rear panel, and that's the quarter panel as well. It's quite big crash, so we cut the back window screen and the quarter window, so we're going to put the car on the jig and then get it pulled. I want to show you the jig now. Here you go. This is Chief Liner American system, 3 pillars around the jig. Of course, we put the car on the jig and then we get a clamp. These are the clamps there, and then the accessories in the corner. So we got chains, we got stuff, hooks, clamps, to get it pulled first, and then of course we have to put it down on the ground and then start cutting the quarter panel, and then we take it from there. Here you go, we're gonna start pull. The car is being clamped, and now the chain and the hook, they are ready. Pull the rear panel first. See, this is the flow as well, but of course what we do, first of all we have to pull the rear panel first, and then once the rear panel is perfect, we take it off and then we start clamp the flow by itself, and we pull it by itself. Here you go. As you can see, the rear panel is off. Everything has been cleaned. We cleaned it from inside, we cleaned it from outside, and we put zinc as well. This is the quarter panel as well. As you can see here, that's all has been cleaned, straightened up. All the spot weld where we split it, that's all been cleaned, and we put zinc in here as well. So now we're going to install the quarter on the car, and then of course after that we have to put the rear panel and to see where we're standing, and we take it from there. go. Now the car been masked. As you can see, we cover everything, so that's ready for primer. All the extensions here, that's where we joined it. We cut the quarter and we joined it here, and then from here as well, because we had some spot weld here and we have to grind it, so this need to be primed as well. Here you go, the car is ready for paint. This is the quarter panel, ready to go. Sim sealer has been done. Everything is ready. As the tailgate is over there as well. Here you go. The car has been painted. I'm going to demask it, take it outside, and start putting it back together. Even the rear panel, we have to put paint and we have to throw the clear coat as well, make it proper shiny. All the angles has been covered properly. Of course, the car, when we paint it, come very clean. As you can see, barely touch it with the polish. This is the tailgate as well. Nice and clean. It's being stripped completely. Badges off as well. We ordered the new badges, so we need to install the new badges on it. Here you go, guys. The Audi is ready. Has been fixed, has been painted. Put it back together. The quarter panel being replaced, as you've seen at the beginning of the video. So look absolutely amazing. The customer is very happy. Next to me, he wants to collect his car, so he's really impressed with the job we've done. Here you go. The car is finished. Windows back. All the badges is being put back on. Guys, I really appreciate your watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much.